Small in size, big on innovation, the all-new Nissan Micra EV is rewriting the rules of what a compact electric car can be. This isn't just a city runabout, it's a smart, stylish, and impressively capable EV that blends bold design, connected tech, and everyday usability into one clever package. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or taking a longer weekend drive, the Micra EV is ready to electrify your experience. Let's explore everything this next-gen hatchback has to offer. At under 4 meters long and less than 1.8 meters wide, the Micra EV is built for city life. Thanks to its stretched 2.54-meter wheelbase, the wheels are pushed out to the corners, giving it a bold stance and great interior space. It's agile, stable, and ready to cut through the chaos of urban traffic with style. Step inside, and you're met with a surprising level of refinement. The Micra's 5-door layout makes access easy for everyone, while the passenger up front enjoys premium soft-touch surfaces and generous knee room. Behind the 3-spoke steering wheel sits a 10.1-inch configurable high-res digital display, giving the driver clear access to all vital info. At the center of the dash, another 10.1-inch touchscreen handles navigation, audio, and phone functions, tilted slightly toward the driver for effortless control. Customers can choose from 3 interior themes: modern, audacious, and chill, each offering a distinct personality. To match your mood, the ambient lighting system features 48 customizable colors, turning the cabin into a truly personal space. And practicality isn't forgotten. The Micra EV offers a generous 326 liters of trunk space, expandable to 1,106 liters with the rear seats folded, a standout figure in this segment. The all-new Micra is available in 2 battery options: 40 kilowatt-hours, 90 kilowatts, 121 horsepower, 225 Newton-meters, 310 kilometers range; 52 kilowatt-hours, 110 kilowatts, 148 horsepower, 245 Newton-meters, 408 kilometers range. Both battery packs benefit from standard thermal management and come with heat pumps, ensuring fast, consistent charging and reliable performance in all climates. Charging is equally convenient. 80 kilowatts DC fast charging on the 40 kilowatt-hour version. 100 kilowatts DC on the 52 kilowatt-hour version. You'll get from 15% to 80% in about 30 minutes, making range anxiety a thing of the past. For added functionality, both versions support vehicle-to-load (V2L), allowing you to power external devices, perfect for road trips, picnics, or even vacuuming your car. The Micra EV is loaded with intuitive, smart tech. It features Nissan Connect with Google built in, giving you seamless access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and apps from the Google Play Store, all directly from the car. Route planning is smarter than ever. The system suggests charging stops based on your route, energy consumption, and outside temperature. And thanks to over-the-air updates, your maps and software are always up to date. With Google Assistant, you can adjust the climate, control your smart home, send messages, and more, all hands-free. Prefer your phone? Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard. The Nissan Connect Services app enhances your ownership experience even further, letting you remotely check your battery, precondition the cabin, schedule charging, and locate your car, all from your smartphone. The Micra may be compact, but it's packed with confidence-boosting safety tech. It includes Nissan ProPILOT Assist with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping, autonomous emergency braking, emergency lane keeping, and driver monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot intervention, and safe exit assist. From tight city corners to fast-moving highways, the Micra EV is always looking out for you. The all-new Nissan Micra EV is a smart, stylish, and ultra-practical electric hatch that punches far above its weight. With its class-leading tech, thoughtful design, strong range, and connected features, this EV is ready to fit into your life and elevate it. What do you think? Would you pick the Micra EV over the likes of the Renault 5 or the Fiat 500e? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric car insights.